Hello everyone and welcome back. If you are watching this video right now, then maybe you want something more. Maybe you want a better life, to feel happier, or to make a change. And I think that is beautiful. Today we're going to talk about something very important. How to change your life. I am Sarah and I'm here with my friend David.
Hello. Yes, I am David. Sarah, I have a simple but very powerful question. Are you happy with your life right now?
That is a big question, David.
I know, but it is the most important question. If you want to change your life, you first need to ask yourself, are you happy? Are you where you want to be? Many people watching right now are thinking, I want something different. I want something better. But how? How do I change?
That is what we are going to talk about today. How to change your life step by step, simple and clear. Please stay with us. And if you are learning English, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel. We make videos every week with real conversations. So David, let's start with the basics. Why do people want to change their lives?
I think people want to change because they feel stuck.
Stuck? What does that mean?
Stuck means you cannot move. Imagine you are in mud. You try to walk, but your feet don't move. Maybe they don't like their job. They feel tired every day, or they don't feel good about themselves. They feel stuck.
I think a lot of people feel this way. I remember a few years ago, I felt stuck too. I woke up every morning, did the same things, go to work, come home, watch TV, sleep, and the next day, the same thing again.
That sounds very familiar. A lot of people have that routine. And when you keep thinking, is this my life? That feeling is the beginning of change.
Oh, that is so true. The feeling that you want something more is the first step. When you are not happy, you start to ask questions. What do I really want? What makes me happy? What can I do differently?
So, let's talk about the first step to changing your life. Knowing yourself.
Knowing yourself? What does that mean exactly?
Knowing yourself means understanding what you want, what makes you happy, what makes you sad, and understanding your strengths and weaknesses. It is like looking in a mirror for your heart and mind. To start, you can ask yourself 3 questions. 1. What do I love doing? 2. What do I want more of in my life? 3. What do I want less of in my life?
Oh, that last one is interesting. Not just more, but less?
Yes. Sometimes changing your life is not only about adding good things, but also about removing bad things, less stress, less bad habits, and less time with negative people. Please pause the video, think about these questions, and write down your answers. That is the first step.
Okay, David, we know ourselves. Now what?
Now, we take action. But the most important thing is, you don't have to change everything at once.
A lot of people try to do that. They say, starting Monday, I will change everything. I will wake up early, exercise every day, eat healthy, learn a new language, and read 10 books. And then Monday comes, and they do nothing.
It happens to everyone because when we try to change everything at once, it is too hard. Our brain gets tired and we give up.
So what is the right way?
Small steps. Very small steps. Let's say you want to get healthy. Instead of saying, I will exercise 1 hour every day, you say, I will walk for 10 minutes every morning. Just 10 minutes. And you do that every day for a week, 2 weeks, 1 month.
And then it becomes a habit.
Exactly. After 1 month, walking for 10 minutes is easy, so you add more, maybe 15 or 20 minutes, step by step. Small steps, big changes.
David, let's talk about habits. What is a habit?
A habit is something you do every day without thinking, automatically, like brushing your teeth. Good habits help us. Bad habits hurt us. To build good habits, there is a simple idea called habit stacking.
Habit stacking? What is that?
Habit stacking means you put a new habit after a habit you already have. For example, if you already drink coffee every morning and you want to read more books, you say, "After I drink my coffee, I will read for 5 minutes." The coffee is the signal that tells your brain it is time to read.
That is so clever. I already make tea every morning, so I can say, after I make my tea, I will do 5 minutes of English practice.
That is perfect, Sarah. You are already doing it.
Now, I want to talk about something very important, your mindset. Your mindset is how you think and the stories you tell yourself. Every day, we have thoughts like, I can't do this, or I'm not smart enough. But if you think those things, you start to believe them. And if you believe them, you don't try.
Your thoughts become your actions. Your actions become your habits. Your habits become your life.
That is so powerful. So, if we change our thoughts, we can change our life. How do we do that?
Instead of saying, "I can't do this," say, "I can learn this." Instead of, "I'm not smart enough," say, "I am getting better every day." Instead of, "I always fail," say, "Every mistake teaches me something." That is a growth mindset.
David, can other people affect our life?
Oh, absolutely. There is a saying in English, "You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with." If you spend time with positive, happy people, you become more happy and positive. If you spend time with negative people who complain, you become negative too. But the good news is, you can choose your environment, the people you are with, the places you go, and what you watch or read. Change your environment, and you change yourself.
David, what happens when you fail? Sometimes you make mistakes or fall back into old habits. What do you do then?
Failing is not the end. Failing is part of the process. Think about a baby learning to walk. Does a baby walk perfectly on the first try? No. They fall down, get up, fall down again, and get up again. They never say, "I give up. I will just crawl forever." The baby doesn't judge itself. It just tries again.
Many people give up not because it is too hard, but because they are too hard on themselves. One mistake doesn't mean failure. It means you are trying. When I was learning English, I made so many funny mistakes, like saying I am pregnant instead of I am full after eating. But I laughed, learned, and kept going. Your mistakes are not your enemy. They are your teacher.
Let's look at some simple daily practices.
1. Gratitude. Write down 3 things you are grateful for every morning.
2. Move your body. Walk, dance, or stretch every day.
3. Learn something new. Spend 5 minutes a day learning a new word or idea.
4. Rest. Sleep well and give your body and mind time to recover.
5. Be kind to yourself. Treat yourself like you would treat a good friend. Let's do a quick review of the steps. Step 1. Know yourself.
Step 2. Take small steps. Small steps, big changes.
Step 3. Build good habits using habit stacking.
Step 4. Change your mindset.
Step 5. Choose your positive environment.
Step 6. Don't give up. Mistakes are teachers.
Step 7. Practice daily habits. You don't need to do everything today. Just pick one small thing and start. Let's say some key phrases slowly together.
I want to change my life.
Small steps lead to big changes.
Every mistake teaches me something.
I'm getting better every day.
I believe in myself.
I am not giving up.
Today, I take one small step. Changing your life is not magic. It takes time and practice, but it is possible. By watching this video and learning English today, you are already taking a step. I am proud of you.
In the comments below, tell us, what is one small step you will take this week to change your life? Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for learning with us today. Goodbye, everyone.